Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to make some fried macaroni and cheese balls. This should be a really good snack. We went out to a restaurant, the Craft Grill, a few weeks ago, and we had these and I really loved them, so I wanted to try to make them at home. Basically, you can start with your own homemade macaroni and cheese. I would suggest that rather than the boxed macaroni and cheese. I think it might be a little bit too runny. So I have made my own version of macaroni and cheese. If you're interested in using my recipe, watch this. Okay, so we have our macaroni and cheese finished. I'm going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 or 4 hours. We want this nice and cold so the macaroni sticks together well when we put it in the breadcrumbs. When you make your macaroni, I don't know if I would use a boxed brand because I think they might tend to be a little bit runny, and you want this pretty thick, again, so that you can roll it into a ball and roll it in the breadcrumbs and it's not going to just fall apart on you. So let's get started on frying the macaroni and cheese balls. So here's my macaroni and cheese. It's been refrigerating for probably 5 or 6 hours. It's nice, very cold. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. So we're just going to get a little bowl, dip it in egg. Now here's my panko crumbs. That didn't take too long. They fry up pretty quick, like maybe 2 minutes. So we just made a few. They look awesome. And I think I'm gonna like these panko crumbs because I've never cooked with them before, but I think they're gonna be really nice and crispy. Yeah, really good. I got that little bit of red pepper flakes in there, gives it a little bit of a spice. And yeah, those panko crumbs, I really like those. They're nice and crispy. Very good. Now let's give Catherine a try.
Let me try this. Looks very good color.
Yeah, they sound crispy. Oh, it's not too hot.
very special and very good. I like this.
Yeah, it was very good. Just to kind of remind everybody, if you're going to make a lot of these, the macaroni and cheese, when it starts to warm up, it may not stick together as well, so you may want to pull out a little bit and keep some of it in the refrigerator to keep it cold. But yeah,
good.
this was a very good recipe.
Thank you.
So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to Ed Foodie. Just raving over these macaroni and cheese balls, and I thought let's go ahead and put some horseradish sauce on it. And it's really awesome. Makes it really good. You could also use whatever your favorite dipping sauce is, but
Try to.
definitely. Very good. One of my new favorites.